This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, April 27, 2015. This briefing will cover the weather for the upcoming week across the inland Northwest. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website during the week for updated information. Here's the overview for the next 7 days. A ridge of high pressure will continue through Tuesday with warm and dry conditions. The main weather system for the week will be a cold front passage Tuesday night, bringing showers and breezy conditions with cooler temperatures through Wednesday. The remainder of the week will feature a progressive flow regime with a few minor transiting systems bringing a small threat of showers, mainly near the Canadian border. By Sunday or Monday, a new ridge will begin to set up, leading to a drying and warming trend. Here is a wide-shot satellite image of the North Pacific, which reveals a low-pressure trough in the Gulf of Alaska, which will migrate through the region on Wednesday. Behind this system is a relatively flat and fast-moving westerly flow, which may provide some weak transitory disturbances through the region from Thursday through the weekend. High temperatures on Tuesday will rise well above average in the warm sector ahead of the incoming cold front, with 70s common in the most lower elevations. The main weather system for the coming week will be a cold front passage Tuesday night. This front will initially bring a small chance of thunderstorms to the northwestern mountains during the evening hours, then bring a wider chance of rain showers overnight. The best chance for showers will be over the northeast mountains and far north Idaho. Breezy conditions will also develop in the Columbia Basin, especially in the Wenatchee and Kittitas valleys and the Waterville Plateau. Snow levels will remain quite high during this stormy period, about 6,000 to 8,000 feet. This front will return high temperatures back to normal on Wednesday. During the day Wednesday, the cold front will usher in an upper-level trough. In addition to cooler temperatures, the cold air aloft will destabilize the air mass, leading to a general chance of afternoon hit-and-miss showers, as well as a few thunderstorms across the northern mountains. These storms will be the garden variety springtime brief thunderstorms with a possibility of small hail and graupel. The snow level will drop to around 4,000 feet in the Cascades, with minor local accumulations on peaks. Breezy conditions will continue, especially over the exposed terrain of the eastern Columbia Basin. The remainder of the week into the weekend will feature westerly flow off the Pacific. The polar storm track will remain to the north in Canada. A few minor disturbances will bring a small chance of valley rain and mountain snow showers, mainly north and east of the Columbia Basin. The remainder of the region will be dry with moderate southwest winds and plenty of sunshine, albeit filtered through variable thicknesses of high clouds at times. The meteograms for Wenatchee and Spokane for the upcoming week depict an initial cooling trend with Wednesday's cold front, followed by a general moderate warming through the rest of the week. The cold front will largely skip over the deep basin with downslope off the Cascades, minimizing any chance of precipitation with this front. Much the same trend is apparent in the Lewiston and Moses Lake areas. There is little or no chance of any morning freezing temperatures in these areas this week, where the growing season seems to be underway. Here is the 8 to 14-day outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center, valid May 4th through May 10th. The odds solidly favor above-average temperatures for the inland Northwest and moderately favor below-average precipitation during this period. The relatively benign and dry weather pattern expected for the next couple of weeks will not help with the areas developing drought conditions. Most of eastern Washington and northern Idaho remains abnormally dry or is slipping into a moderate drought. So here is the overall impact summary for the coming week. Overall, we're looking at a fairly quiet week. The main weather issue will be the cold front and unsettled conditions on Tuesday night and Wednesday. Confidence is high that this weather system will occur with its attendant hit-and-miss showers, cooler temperatures, and breezy winds. Confidence is fairly low for the existence of any thunderstorms with it or where those thunderstorms may set up. A dry and largely benign weather pattern is expected for the rest of the week with temperatures near normal. Here's how you can stay informed and get the latest information from the National Weather Service. Check out our webpage, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube accounts.